Hello again. A bright, breezy, considerably colder day out there for most compared to certainly how it was earlier in the week. There are a few showers around, and some of those have been a little bit wintry across parts of northern Scotland. It was further south, though, where all the action was out on Wednesday night. This little hook in the satellite picture, some very heavy rain there on the radar. That was a storm system named by Meteo France, Storm Aurora, and that's moving away now, but behind it, weather fronts are introducing colder and colder air across the UK, but also introducing clearer skies. So, as I said, for most it's fine and sunny, but rather chilly out there. Showers are feeding in from the Irish Sea into North and West Wales, some for Northern Ireland, some will keep some showers going over northern Scotland also. Snow on the hills, some hail likely at lower levels, but for the vast majority, it's fine and bright, but there is that cold wind blowing. Temperatures significantly lower than where they were at the start of the week, and actually a touch below average as well. And when you add on the strength of the wind, well, it feels even colder. It really will feel a lot colder than recent days. It's going to be a chilly night tonight as well. We'll keep some showers going over northern and western Scotland, some feeding into northwest England also. Any showers across the eastern parts of England should tend to fade away. Northern Ireland continue to see some showers, particularly on the north coast, but much of the south of the UK will stay dry and largely clear. The wind's easing a little bit as well, particularly across the south, and that will allow the temperatures to drop further. So we're going to get well down into single figures across the south. Some pockets of frost are possible, whereas further north we will keep a brisk wind, and that will actually help to keep the temperatures up somewhat. But still a cold feel wherever you are on Friday morning. Quite a bit of cloud over northern England, Wales and the Midlands during Friday. Northern Ireland, southwest Scotland also, and in this zone there will be some outbreaks of rain. Elsewhere, most places will be dry. Some sunny spells across the south and the northeast of Scotland looking drier compared to today. Still windy in the far northeast, but the wind's continuing to ease down in many places. So although temperatures will only be back to around about average, it'll probably feel a little warmer on Friday because those winds will be much lighter. During Friday evening, we'll continue to see a few showers across parts of northern England and eastern England perhaps, but tending to ease off, I fancy, over Wales and Northern Ireland, so generally becoming dry here. Notice behind me there is a line of rain. That is a weather front. That's going to mix things up a little for the weekend. Ridge of high pressure to start with, bringing a chilly start to the weekend. Later on, some rain from this weather front likely across Northern Ireland and western Scotland. That will cross the country, or at least try to during Sunday, bringing some patchy rain. If we rewind and run through that sequence again, you can also see how these weather fronts are bringing in milder air. So although it starts pretty chilly on Saturday morning, by Sunday we'll be back with milder air and a fairly brisk breeze. So quite a bit going on at the weekend. A dry, chilly start, some heavy rain in the northwest later on Saturday. The rain more patchy crossing the country on Sunday, and it will slowly be turning milder. More details on that with a full weekend forecast on our YouTube channels. That'll be available on Thursday afternoon, and keep up to date with the very latest by following us across Twitter.